All right, we're back. So I ran a 5K in St. Paul, Minnesota on March 22nd. Or rather, I started running a 5K on March 22nd, but didn't actually finish it running. That's because about a half mile from the end of the race, as I was coming down this slight downhill that rounded a corner, my toe clipped a curb and I went down. Aside from smashing my face into the ground and giving myself a hamstring tear, which you can see on screen made my entire thigh bruise up, I broke my watch face. Now, because I didn't want to spend a couple $100s to replace the watch, I decided to replace the face. Since I couldn't find any new replacement faces, I bought a used one off of eBay. Now, when the package arrived at my house, it said it was shipped from Nebraska, but I know the listing said it was coming from China, and it took the slow boat from China amount of time to get here, so make of that what you will. Now, replacing the face proved surprisingly easy. All you needed to do was heat the watch face carefully with a heat gun to warm up the glue, pry the face off, disconnect the wiring, and clean the glue off the watch, plug in the new face, and glue it on. Simple enough. The only complication of this one for me was the used watch face came with a little slight bit of the old watch still glued into it around that face, which I didn't realize for a few minutes, and so the face didn't fit very well. But after I got in there with a real thin tool, I managed to pry that out and remove it. And once that was gone, it fit extremely well. Process from there was very straightforward. Apply glue, plug in the new face, press it together. As far as cost, the new old face, I guess, was around $50 US. The glue was around $7 US, and the screen protector, which I probably should have added to the watch years ago, was also around $7 US. You can find all the links for all these in the description. All told, the watch seems to function fine, and for about $60, $65, it was a better use of my money than replacing the entire watch. The moral of the story for this video is this: 1. Pick up your feet when you're running, and 2. Learn to fix your stuff. See you on the next one.